this helicopter. So how you do it is like this. You just get it to work. Okay, guys, let's see. Oh, that was lame. Okay, you're gonna try one more time. I know I can fly fast, higher than that. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, guys, it broke! Guys, it literally broke. I need to put it back on. They're in the little glass thing. Guys, I'm gonna need to tape this back again, but I'm just gonna go like this. Step number 3. Try number 3. Okay. Oh yeah, watch out when you let it go. It might hit your nail or your finger, so it might hurt a little bit. I mean a lot. Guys, it broke again. And this one and this one. And it's the same wing, but we're gonna keep trying until we get the perfect shot. Okay? Try number 5. Okay? This time we're gonna throw it up in the air. That worked, guys. Let's do it one more time. And it broke again. It's because it was already dry, so like my work. But we're gonna keep doing it, guys. Try number 6. I'm not gonna do it this way, guys, cause like there's a little white line. It goes really high, so if we do it further, go like that. So we need to do it this way. We're just getting this ready. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Guys, we got it! Guys, let's do it one more time. That was awesome. That was literally awesome. Oh shoot. And guys, it might be a little bit hard. So you have to like mash these up like this, okay? We can do this one more time, guys. 1, 2, 3. We did it again, guys! And it broke again. And we're gonna do it one more last time. 2 more tries. I promise you, guys.